Guys, it's so beautiful. I love it so much.
Bacon, eggs, spinach. Snacky girl, make some porridge. So beautiful.
We just got off that boat.
Yeah, we just got off.
My bearings feel so off. I like.
My belly is so swelling.
I said berry. We're at Sia's Takeaway here in Logan City. I just wish there was a bit of rice. We just had dinner with my bro and his beautiful wife. Oh, he's a little baby. Okay guys, so we're going swimming now. I got my swimmers on. Nice pattern. And huh? Guys, it's so beautiful.
That's so beautiful.
I love it so much. Siaosi. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Wow. We are in the pool now. It's so beautiful in here. Look at the background. Amazing. Amazing. So amazing in the world. This is my thumbnail. Thumbnail.
So with me, thumbnail.
Oh, wow. Thumbnail, guys. This is so cool and beautiful.
This is so beautiful, guys. What's up, guys? Georgie, swimming like a swimming.
Swimming like a sweetie. It's so beautiful here, guys. Guys, we were trying to prank Mum to say that he fell over. He fell over because it's like a little ditch. And I was like, wait, what are we doing? She was like,
yeah, boy. What's up, guys? It's your boy Georgie. This is our second day here in Brisbane. Doing a breakfast this morning. Bacon and eggs, spinach, and snacky girl make some porridge. Mommy is getting ready to eat. This is the bacon and eggs.
I woke up super early this morning, made some bacon, eggs, and porridge while Aussie went and sat his butt down at the gym.
Early this morning, 5 before everyone's wake up. No one's wake up that time. And just me go to the gym. You know what it is, boy Georgie, go every day. And after the gym I go straight to the shop because everyone slept that time to bought all this stuff, you know.
No you didn't, this stuff we bought yesterday, he's lying. No. Guys, we're having our brekkie now. No. Because we had policy in this. We got Nacky Boy. Hi Nacky Boy.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Georgie. I just finished gym and wake up early.
Is that your boy Thotty?
Because these guys still sleeping this morning. After walking to the shop to bought all this stuff for the breakfast.
No you didn't.
Yes.
Stop lying.
Ai công chị shit.
What?
Mèo rau rã.
Bác sâu lâu ra ấu am vậy? Này lấy mom lại ai. It's just so dry, guys, because there's no sauce.
Nearly 10 o'clock. And now we're going out now, guys. Meet other suppies and go to the Southbank beach. See you guys soon.
Boom. We are here at Southbank Park. I think our camera needs a bit of a wipe. That's better. So we're here at Southbank Park. I just want to thank her so much in advance. She reached out to us and wanted to take us around to Brisbane, because she lives here, and show us her ropes, and she offered to take us out for lunch. It's so lovely of her, isn't it?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes.
If you watch this vlog, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you so much. We love you guys so much. Guys, we're finally here in Southbank Park. We'll just find a park on the side of the road, and now we're walking inside. I don't know what's happening inside there. This is a beautiful, beautiful place. Sandal over there. Sandal. Today, oh, koi pe ya me. What? Yo, I pe koi pe. Scooter. Fa e fa leo longo. Cho la nga fa e o ka ringa ida. E mare povi ro ku mare uru da roi.
What is it?
Pov.
It's an elephant.
Elephant? Mo ngau dei.
Aussie, what's your big list doing there?
Mo pe it's okay there. Snack you. Mo ko it's okay there. Yeah, guys. This is how we're doing training. I told you the other vlog, guys. We're having a training here all day. Training yesterday and training today. You see it, guys. This is our training from all the way from Canberra here to do our training. Yep. Now we just walk around and enjoy the weather here in Brisbane. Yeah, it's not more better light here inside here.
I don't think this is it, eh?
This is not. This is Centrelink. Guys, long walk today, guys. Look, we lost today, guys.
Didn't know this was gonna be a training session.
Yeah, training section to this morning. Look, walking from all the way from the other side of Brisbane to the other side of Brisbane. And after this, I'll go all the way back there to bring our car to.
So grateful for their patience with us, because we're like, yeah, we're here, and then we're like, oh yeah, I don't think this is it.
Yeah. Is that long walk, Mia? What? Walkie, talkie, eh? Look. That. Xanh à? We're walking all the way from there to this side, and yeah, it's good. It's good to have our exercise this morning, guys. Yeah, guys. But whoa, good light here. Good light. Yeah, guys. Beautiful banana. Got him up. Check it out.
Wow.
Oh, halira. Yaro mang seki men makora lama ko ay. Maros. Kapeng avalle ko menga si mo may. Ya lo mam lo pasika nga. Oso si omi ya. Banana la super mato sa valinga. Wato ya onianga mato tonu le lalo le wat. Mato wo mai ta ole para birthday day. Southbank bis fiesta. Wah, tato mai ide pakata mai chi. Ngalo feo mi pe va. We catch this ferry for tonight. We catch it tonight and we're driving everywhere. Look. Picture. Oh, look guys, this is so beautiful. And this is so beautiful. Look this swimming pool. Whoa.
So beauty.
So beauty like a beauty. Going to the beach.
It's been a trek and a half, and as you can see, we're really hot and sweaty. But this is beautiful. It's all so worth it. I just wish I brought some swimming clothes. Guys, look how beautiful this is. It's so nice and shiny, like Aussie says. And the best thing about it is it's free. I just can't believe that. In this world, Australia, nothing is free.
Can't believe it. This is amazing. First time here in this beach. Oh, so beautiful, guys. Beautiful.
We're going up on the rooftop pool, swimming there. After I change and dry clothes, come back here. What the hell, man? You're so mean.
We're coming back here tonight. Yeah. Now we finally walk down there on the boat. Let's go on the boat. So beautiful. Beautiful place. Yeah, this is the boat. Getting on this one.
We're having a wonderful time here on the boat, and we've got another 15 minutes to go on this beautiful boat ride, but it's just wonderful.
Off now, guys. Off now. Another 15 minutes. How do you feel here in Brisbane?
I feel wonderful, but as beautiful as everything is, I don't think I can live here still. Best dark camper.
It's beautiful, guys, but best dark camper. It's beautiful for holiday, but not for staying. It's so beautiful, guys. This here. Ooh, come between the house, the building. Come inside between the buildings. Finished.
We just got off that boat.
Yeah, we just got off.
My bearings feel so off.
My belly is so swelling.
I said bearings. Bearings. My bearings feel so off. Like feels like the floor is still moving.
My belly is so belly because you wanna pick that back again.
So we're sitting under here, under the tree, in front of this street. I'm not sure what street this is, but it's so beautiful. And again, I just want to give a massive shout out to these people, these Samaritans who offered to take us out for the day, show us around Brisbane. We're at Sia's Takeaway here in Logan City, and honestly this food I'm so excited to eat. So excited to eat it. I just wish there was I just wish there was a bit of rice.
So excited to eat. You see my food? This is mine. And
we got kikema
Doris, and this kikema moi for tonight. Or today. After this. We are so hungry. This is salmon food. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Hi guys, so it's night time now. We haven't touched our camera for a while, but honestly we just want to give a massive, huge, ginormous shout out to Emmy. We got permission to post photos, so I'm gonna insert her photo right here, and big shout out to her. Honestly, she's like an angel from heaven. She was such a great Samaritan, such a great friend. She actually became family today. Yeah. And we are so grateful for your hospitality and your love. Not just her and her sister.
Her sister, for driving around.
Yep. We're so grateful. There are not enough words that we can give you to show you and pay back our gratitude. We came to Aussie's cousin's house, and they're going to dinner. They wanted to take them out to dinner, Mum and Mia. We were all meant to go, but because the time that we have here is very short, we've only got one more day tomorrow. I really wanted to meet my brother who lives here in Brisbane, and his wife and his kids. I haven't met any of them, so we're trying to cram it all in one night. So I'm meeting him tonight, and these guys are going to dinner with Aussie's fams. Yeah, and then we're gonna come back and chill with Aussie's fam. And our tourists must be so tired. Are you tired, tourists?
No. Eat all time.
Monkey girl, Mia.
Yes, monkey girl.
Monkey girl.
Downey girl.
Or down girl.
Monkey fuya. Ole monkey sawa nga.
Wah, lucky ka ko fa inge yaso ka ko ren go for fun. Apa feka ya ka kofa niya ya sore. Murehin kakare. Murehin Murehin mang gila so.
Ya phải một sao phải ca cô nghĩ.
Apa feka so sao.
Guys, we're here at the Thai Orchid here in, is this Logan?
Yeah.
We just had dinner with my bro. That's not my bro. That's my bro. And his beautiful wife. Oh, and the little baby. And Ella. And their car. Oh, wow.
Let's go.
Besto.
Guys, we are finally home. And this is the end of the day. So this is the end of our vlog for today. Thank you guys for coming along with us. We appreciate you guys for coming and
Helping us. DMing us, directing us.
Yeah. Shout out to Emmy and her sister and mom. So thank you so much for having us today. We love you guys. We appreciate you guys for all you do for us.
Also, massive shout out to my brother Silla and his wifey and kids. Thank you so much for making time to come and see us.
And thanks to my cousin Lope and her husband Olufpo for Siafi and Susanna for having my mom tonight. So
thank you so much.
Thank you for everything you do for mom and Mia. I appreciate for that. So God bless you.
We just wish we could thank each and every single one of you guys who has impacted our trip here in Brisbane. You know, helped us and suggested places. We really thank you. Shout out to all of you guys. Just before we end off, we'd just like to thank the good Lord for his protection, his guidance upon us on our trip here, his wisdom. He's leading this whole trip, so we give all the glory back to him. Yeah, we're super tired, so we're going to get some shut-eye.
Oh, signing out.
To sleep.
To sleep.
Bish.